Okay, so for this one, I have a video up for 8 already where I explain why, if you look at the answer key, it's in a weird form, so I won't do that here. But here's how you do this specific version. So I'm going to use point slope form for this one because of the way the answer is formatted, like I said in the other video. So let me move this y1 over. And what this really is just transformations using a line. So let's look at this one. For this one, it looks like we're going over 2 and down 1, so that slope would be -1/2. And then I can use any of these points, but I'm going to go ahead and use that one right there. And so it looks like that is -2, -2. Cool, because that way I don't have to actually pay attention to where I put which one. So that x minus -2 would be +2. And then y is also -2. So just plugging in my x1 and my y1, -2, -2. And if we look at this in terms of transformations, so remember inside is our left-right shift, so +2 would, from the origin, would have gone left 2. And then the -2 on the outside here, remember that was our up-down shift, so that moved it down 1. And that -1/2 means it was reflected, and then it is compressed to slope of 1/2. So when we originally did lines, we didn't know about transformations, but that's all we're seeing right there. This middle one, that's just y = 3. And then for this one over here, if I do the same thing, we'll go y equals, our slope on that one is going over, let's see, it's right there. So it's going over 2 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our slope is 5/2. And then I'll go ahead and use this point right here. So I'm going to use 3, -4 for my x and my y. So plugging in here, we got x minus 3, and then that would be the y, so -4. And so we're going right 3 and down 4 for that point, and then that's our new stretch. So that's probably the easiest way to do that, I would say, for this problem. And I believe on this one, it will take that form of the answer. You don't even have to go through and then clean it to y = mx + b. So that's, you can just stop right there on those.